Hi everyone, this is Divya and I'm in Dubai. As you know, Dubai is synonymous with many things like their Arabian culture, the tall skyscrapers, bustling nightlife, and even shopping. Dubai even has two shopping festivals, which is the Dubai Shopping Festival and Dubai Summer Surprises, where shops offer up to 90% discount on their products. Dubai has over 65 shopping malls, each with their own uniqueness about it. Some of them have indoor ski slopes, indoor aquariums, bowling, and even an indoor skydiving place. So, how do you decide which one to go to? In this vlog, I'm going to show you 5 of the best malls for the ultimate shopping experience. So stay tuned. And before that, don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and don't forget to like and share this video as well. So if you're ready, let's go to mall number 1. Dubai Mall is a must visit. 1,200 stores, 120 restaurants and 14,000 parking spots. Wow, you can imagine how big this mall is. Dubai Mall is located in downtown Dubai, adjacent to the iconic Burj Khalifa, the tallest tower in the world. Make sure you go to the mall in the evening to watch the Dubai Fountain Show, which takes place every half hour from 6 p.m. to 11 p.m. daily. The Dubai Fountain is the world's largest choreographed fountain system, with water jets as big as 500 feet to 700 feet long. It is also home to the Dubai Aquarium, which is the world's largest indoor aquarium and houses the world's largest acrylic panel. There is also an Olympic-size ice skating rink at the Dubai Mall where you can skate at leisure or take classes. You can also enjoy some virtual and augmented reality attractions at the world's leading VR park situated in Dubai Mall. If you have children, take them to Kidzania, which is a replica of a real city that combines entertainment and education with over 70 real-life activities for children aged 4 to 16. If that's not enough, the mall also has a cinema, the world's largest candy store, a luxury hotel, a rainforest cafe, an illusion waterfall, and much more. As a bonus tip, I'm going to tell you about the Dubai Mall app, where you can collect Skywards points as you shop. All you need to do is upload the receipts after shopping and collect as many points as you can, and eventually you could buy yourself an Emirates flight. Mall number 2 is Mall of the Emirates, which is the world's first shopping resort. It has over 630 shops in it, and personally I like this mall because it's laid out quite well and it's easy to navigate. And they have all the shops that you can think of. So I think this is a good option for mall number 2. Skiing in Dubai. If you have never heard of this, head to Ski Dubai in Mall of the Emirates. This indoor ski resort has a ski slope, snow park, snow bullet ride, and an opportunity to get up close and personal with penguins who live at Ski Dubai. 3 is Mirdif City Centre, which is like the younger sibling of Mall of the Emirates. It's run by the same management as Mall of the Emirates, and it has a fairly same number of shops or similar offerings as Mall of the Emirates. The reason why I like this mall and I've listed it here is because it is obviously a bit more quieter than Mall of the Emirates. Layout is fairly similar to Mall of the Emirates, and it also has indoor skydiving if you're up for that. A bonus point about Mall of the Emirates and Mirdif City Centre is their Share app. Through this app, you can collect points on everything that you shop within the mall, and eventually you can redeem it for some offerings within these malls as well. Mall number 4 is Ibn Battuta, which is the world's largest themed shopping mall. The theme is inspired by the travels of an Arabian explorer, Ibn Battuta. The mall has 6 different courts, each themed based on a country or a region where the traveler Ibn Battuta has visited. The last mall for today is Dubai Festival City Mall. So the reason why I have selected the Festival City Mall is because it is usually quiet, not too busy. You can go take your time, go through the shops. They have sometimes a different collection as well in all of their shops, and I think it's just an easy shopping experience. So you should definitely check this mall out. That brings us to the end of my vlog. I hope you liked this video, and I hope it has given you some ideas of where you can shop during your next trip to Dubai. I look forward to hearing your shopping stories, and I look forward to seeing you visit me once you've collected enough Dubai Mall points. In the meantime, take care, stay safe, and stay tuned for my next video next week on Thursday.